Ooh, how y'all doing? It's Claudio. Claudio Omondi, that's how you say the second name. Omondi. Yeah, I am an anxiety induced, 2-decade-old African guy. Yeah, and I'm here to tell you about my secrets of actually getting 2,000 subscribers on YouTube in 72 hours. So this is how you do it. No. First, before I show you how to do it or tell you about any of my secrets or how to beat the algorithms and shit, you just scroll down to the red part where it says subscribe on this video and press that red button. As soon as you done that, just come back up. Just come back up. Just do that. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Let's do it. Scroll down, red button over there. Press that red button and then come up. So I'll tell you about my secret to getting like what was the number again? 2,000 subscribers overnight. You do this. You rewind this exact video to the point where I told you to scroll down. And you do exactly as I did. Tell your viewers to do what I told you to do. Then put something like full of clout in your title and description, like how to get 20 million subscribers overnight on YouTube. I feel like I've accomplished something today. I need my tea. I don't even drink tea. I need no whiskey, no vodka, no, that thing ain't good for me. Nah. I don't know. What are you expecting? Like I should leave with a parting shot or something? No, I don't do that shit. Whoa, you're still over here. Damn. Oh yeah, just prolong the video doing weird stuff. There are some weird people on the internet who love seeing other people doing weird stuff, spontaneous weird stuff. Yeah. Like time travel and shit. Like questions about reality and life. Like what is life, what is reality, what is superficial, what is not real, you know? Are we living in a simulation? You know, do alternate realities even exist? And are supernatural entities, you know, and extraterrestrial shit? Are they like things from another dimension we can only see through vivid apparitions or something? I don't know. You can talk about shit like that. Weird stuff, you know, build your time over there. Yeah, watch hours. Yeah, they do that to you. They're like, oh, you have to get your watch hours up. You need 100,000 subscribers to do that and stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I think I helped you. So I think I helped someone. Yeah.